Hello. Today I would like to talk to you about fashion. Fashion isn't just about the labels, right? It's about how we present ourselves to the world. It's how our people see us from the very first moment. So, in order to be able to talk about the outfit a little bit beyond just saying, oh, nice clothes, or a new jacket, or this kind of simple phrases, you need the right vocabulary. And today I would like to give you 3 phrases, 3 bullets to help you talk about your outfit or clothes like a pro. Welcome to English Bullet, the channel where we fire up your day with practical English and powerful motivation for your business and for your life. Having used English in business for over 20 years, I'm here to share what I've learned. Let's get started. The first bullet, the first phrase, is to dress up versus dress down. To dress up means to wear a formal, fancy clothes for a special occasion. To dress down, on the other hand, means to wear comfortable, casual clothes. It's essential to understand the dress code for a meeting or to wear to the office. For instance, you don't need to dress up for a barbecue. Jeans and a t-shirt is fine. Or you don't need so many fancy clothes to dress up for the celebration. It's a casual atmosphere, so you can dress down as well.
On Fridays, our company allows us to dress down and wear sneakers.
The second phrase, the second bullet, it's to pull something off. It means to successfully put some clothes that would be difficult for the others to wear. That means that you are brave enough or confident enough to wear some original clothes, let's call it, like a vibrant colored jacket or a fancy hat. So you can use it in these sentences like, I would never wear a bright yellow suit, but you really pull it off, which means that you put it on and you really look good in that. You were brave enough to put it on. Or some other, let's think for a second. She decided to cut her hair short. And she successfully pulls it off, which means that she cut her hair so short that would be risky how she would look. But she was brave enough to do that, and she looks fine. To pull something off.
I could never wear a bright yellow suit, but you really pull it off.
The third sentence, the third bullet, it's something that you may have heard before, which is to go with something. This is the sentence that means that some pieces of clothes match together, go well together, look together nicely in the outfit. It's great for shopping or giving fashion advice. For instance, do you think these shoes go with that dress, or are they too dark? So you ask if those shoes work together with this dress, if this is a nice combination for your outfit. Or, I like your red tie. It goes well with your white shirt, which means that you look very good wearing red tie to your white shirt. It's a good combination, good outfit you made. So go with something.
Do you think these shoes go with this dress, or are they too dark?
So quick summary here. We talk about dressing up or down for the dress code. We talked about pulling off as a compliment about confidence, and about going well with something. Go with something, about whether the pieces of clothes work nicely together, combining a perfect or nicely looking outfit. Style is the way to say who you are without having to speak. But when you do speak, do it with the same confidence as if it was your perfect favorite outfit. Wear your words with pride today. Have a good one.